focus. Is it focused? Yeah, remember we gotta look here.
Así es cierto.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, as you saw by the title down below, we're gonna be visiting a place here in Houston that it's not so new, but it has been open for a while. And as you read by the title down below, it's the Houston Interactive Aquarium and Animal Preserve place. I think that's the name. But today we're having a little brother and sister date, and we are just gonna go see what's up. We honestly didn't have anything planned for today, and I was telling my sister, I was like, why not, let's just go and see what happens. So we're gonna show up, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today's little vlog or whatever this is, and get your snacks, get whatever it is that you want to eat, so that way you can enjoy this video, right?
Yes.
Keep on watching.
Hey, that looks cute though. Look.
Y'all, so we don't know where to go.
I know, que vergüenza, I'm recording them.
Okay, let's see, hold on. Hold on with that. Is this a parking spot? Is it? Fuck yeah.
Damn, right in front.
Bitch.
Yeah, when you don't know how to park.
There's a whole line.
Nah, shit.
Why is there a line?
And we found the parking.
Alright guys, so we just got here. We found a parking spot for free. We literally, next to us, there was a like additional parking, and it was 20 bucks, and I was like, I'm not paying 20 bucks for that. So we came into this parking lot and we found a parking spot, and yeah, so we're about to go in, see what's up, and hopefully they let us go in with this camera. If not, then we're gonna have to be recording with our phone. But yeah, I hope you keep on watching. How do you feel? She's all embarrassed. Okay, so we made it in and we're recording with our phones. Look at this. What do we think so far? This girl's embarrassed. She's shy. But hope y'all like this. There's two. One, two.
Yeah.
What do you think so far? Imagine my phone was to fall. Ew, nah. Oh shit. Okay, I like this so far. It ain't that bad. Smile. This girl. Okay, so I'm about to touch an octopus, see what happens.
Wait, espérate. Uy. Hey, qué asco.
Oh, fuck. Oh shit, it like sticks to you. Okay, never mind. Touch it again, go. Go, just touch it.
Why is this so slimy?
he doesn't hold the best.
Okay.
So, yeah, I'm trying to get him to actually let me hold him on my hand primarily. They usually let me go into arms and trying to get off.
It's like, should I touch it?
Voy a touch it. Brinca. Okay. I know he means.
Marie. Alright, what do we think so far?
It's alright.
It's not like crazy, but also we haven't gotten to like anything
We're not
yet.
even
We were literally just in the water, like the aquarium part. But we'll see.
Sit down there.
You want to feed him? Do you have one right now? Do you have one right now? Yeah.
Got it.
Bye.
Oh my god.
You can hold his tail.
Oh my god, why is it looking at me?
Put her around you.
No, I'm not doing that.
Okay, I got some pictures.
Oh my god, it's moving.
You're scared.
Ready? You have to let me know as soon as we get it. Can't freak out.
Look over here. Hold on. Y'all, so I just touched a snake and I had a whole snake on my body and that shit felt fucking crazy, but it was also cool. This one didn't even want to. And that guy that's in the back, if somebody knows who he is, can somebody tell us like who he is? Because he's been recording here with like a whole camera and shit and we don't know who he is. So, yeah. Awesome. Awesome. Look over here.
Kind of like that guy, yeah. You gonna join us? About me? Here you go. Come on, bud. Hey. One more. One more. Station. Station. Nope. Good job. The whole thing? Okay. But this actually is kind of like a built-in toothpick. And so, there you go. So this, I will say I'm not going to be, so as soon as I do this to them, it's showtime. Your thumb on your phone. Okay. Even use your app as well. What I will say for cutting right here. It's okay.
I can get a picture out of it.
Oh yeah, smile. Smile, smile.
This one bites.
It does. Oh my god, something's in my back.
It's a bird.
Okay. I know. Oh.
Where we look? Where we look?
Look. He's on the phone. Hello. He's literally standing on my phone right now. He's on the phone. He likes standing on the phone.
Alrighty guys, well that was the Houston Interactive Zoo.
Why are you red?
Animal, whatever. It's hot as fuck in this car, so that is why I'm sweating. Parking, it's kind of confusing, but it's fine. It was nice, it was good. The only thing I am gonna say for all of those people, that are probably thinking like to come and stuff, just so you know, the entry is just the entry, and there is some stuff that you are able to do interactive with like animals, but it doesn't cover everything. If you're wanting to do those crazy interactions and stuff with like lemurs and birds and all of that stuff, you have to buy that stuff extra. So it's like they give you a little card and you have to put like certain credits on there. It's like money, like a Dave & Buster's card, you know? And they scan that per person and it does get really expensive. So just FYI, you know, in case I wanted to come, just so I know. But it is fun, y'all should come. It's not that big as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still nice and it's fun and it's something that you don't necessarily do every day. So why not, right? I don't know what Miss Maria thinks of it. Did you like it or did you not?
It's fine, but I want to take her.
She's been bitching that she wants to like take pictures with tigers and like lions and all that stuff,
But I can never hold a snake.
Exactly, she couldn't even hold a snake. But I don't even know there's something like that like here in Houston. But yeah. Anyway, so right now we're gonna go back home, or we're probably gonna go get something to eat. I don't know. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. So I hope you keep on watching. Alrighty guys, and that was the end of this video. As I was editing right now, I noticed that we didn't have an outro and nothing pretty much happened after. We didn't go eat or anything like that. We just had a little family party, but I didn't film that. So yeah, that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give us a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave us a comment down below if you have any other video suggestions. And yeah, that was pretty much for it. I hope you liked, enjoyed it, and if you did, share it around with your friends. Let us know if anything or any suggestions down in the comment section below, and we'll see you on to the next video. Peace.